In this video, we are going to look at how you can add various delivery methods to your online store. First, on the left side menu, click on the option Catalog. Then select Catalog Settings and find the option Delivery. Once there, you will see a button Add New Delivery Method. Click it and a window will open where you can enter the name of the delivery method, select the delivery service provider if there is one. Mozello offers various integrations with services like DHL Express, for example. If you want to add your own delivery method, select option Other. Then add the cost of the delivery method. Also, you can adjust the minimum or maximum order amount to which the delivery method will be available, or adjust the minimum or maximum weight the delivery method will be available. Then select the countries your delivery method is available in and select the button Save. Repeat these steps to create as many delivery options as you need.